welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to add address for a contact in Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. First, launch upon the Unstoppable Crypto Wallet application and log in using your credentials. After that, navigate to the settings icon, which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, find contacts option and click on it. Here, you can see your contact. After that, select on the contact and click on Add Address button. Here, select the blockchain. After that, paste the address or domain here and click on Done button. Now, click on Save button, which is at the top right corner of your screen. Now, click on the contact and you will see there are two addresses. So that is how you can add address for contact in Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.